Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One final way to organize your scene is to use layers. The Max has which calls Layer Manager, which is situated here. Just click on the Layer Manager and you can see this little and very nice Layer Manager default window. And what that does, it's organize your objects. It can organize your groups and selection sets, something like you hide and unhide. You can freeze your objects. Okay, as we had created in our organized objects videos, we were created a table with teapot. Now I want to hide this object, but the others. Just come here in the layer manager, and here is a little create new layer button. Just click on that. As you can see, layer 01 has been created. Just give it a name, as in that case table with teapot, and hit it. As you can see, the selected objects has been in this table with teapot layer. Just click on that. We can hide him, we can freeze these objects. Freeze, you can see what is the freeze in our freezing videos, and you can make these objects in render, whether it is render or not. There are two ways to bring up the layer manager. One is under the tools. Go to the tools and you can see the layer manager, and you can also bring it from here, layer manager. Now you can just play around with this. You can freeze him, you can renderable and unrenderable these objects, and you can change the colors, you can change the radiosity options, and you can also, here is the option. Now you can also see with that plus sign that which object is in under this layer. So in the table with teapot, we have table and teapot in that layer. As you can see, we can hide him and unhide him as. So here is an other set of selection we were created in our earlier video, and that was table with furniture. Select this furniture and go to the layer manager. Just to create a new layer and call him the furniture. As you can see, the furniture layer has been created. Now let me unhide it, and as you can see, except the teapot, all the furniture has been hidden in our scene. And as you can see, there is no anymore any kind of furniture with the bed, the chairs, the table, and that is a very nice option when we are in animation and we have a complex geometry, and we are unable. We have a low resolution computer, and you can set this kind of stuff. So go to the layer manager and unhide the furniture, and as you can see, the furniture is back on its place. So here in layer manager, this is a very nice option, render, whether this object render or not. So if we had really complex some special effects scenes or short effect scenes, so we can just click on that object, so our objects in that particular layer will be not rendered. For example, I don't want the furniture to render, so just come here in the furniture, and you can hide them or hide freeze. Same as we can just click on that render option. Now everything beside the furniture will be rendered, but it is not. So here is a very nice option to control your scene, to have full control over your scene, and that is the basic things of 3D Studio Max, and you should learn them all. So these are the very nice options. For example, the freezing one. Now we are unable to select these freezed objects, and that is the very nice things. So hope you will be better understand about layer manager, and you will be nice organize your scenes through this video.